Sweet Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
It's Sweet Solution Studios.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Mess it up. So,
It's for the puppets.
no. I'm going to do a challenge and I'm going to finish that. So, whoever succeeds pours a half glass, starts.
I'm not a fan of Coke,
So, you're going to miss all.
yes.
So, what's the fun in it? Okay. Ladies
No,
first.
use that.
Or we should do rock, paper, scissors?
Fine,
Good.
don't laugh.
Oh, don't. I'll show you. Miss, I'll show you. Go. Okay. Should I serve you or? Okay. Wow. On your first attempt.
It's okay. It's okay. Thank you. Or you could do cheers.
I'll do your half bit when I also flip it out my bit. So you're supposed to be enjoying it.
I'm going to mess up my number.
Go
Hold
again.
on.
I didn't do that on purpose. Go. Come on.
What, Leslie?
Today I want to finish all of you. I said what about?
Should I brought meat?
Yeah, should have been meat, yeah? Don't worry.
I'm almost full.
Don't worry, we'll do meat another time. If it was alcohol, is that how you do it? Go. You have another flip to go. Until you miss, I'm not flipping. Please. I'm going for a hat trick. Third time lucky. So what happened at first? Because suddenly
You want a bad teacher?
no, actually what I thought you
Jeez.
Actually what I thought you as well. Don't worry, I'll get you meat for the next time.
I'm full.
Okay. You drink what you can right now. You can't no, finish it. Just finish it. Come on. I know you're trying to miss the flip, but the bottle too says no. Go again. Number 4. You're getting drunk on coke. My turn. Okay.
Oh. Naya.
You're tired. My friend won't feel me.
Okay.
What's up? What's wrong?
Good.
Why is your face like that? Talk to me.
Okay.
Are you able to write the exams?
Mm-hmm.
Girl, what's going on?
Okay. What's up?
Wait till me answer exams, no. Wait till me answer. You know I went in and come do.
I'm okay.
No, this is not you. Come on, talk to me. Babe, hey, talk to me. What is it?
Told you I'm good. Trust me, I'm good.
Anyway, I'm tired. I'm going to the kitchen. I'm not be being sick. Why?
Yeah.
So how did you?
I'll come there soon.
Purchase your tracks today.
Each day within me, I fight a battle. Oh, surviving yet another day without you. I wait every morning to realize that you're gone. How can I feel the space of emptiness?
No.
I need someone to hold my hands and tell me it's alright. It'll be
I
okay. I need someone to hold my hands and tell me it's
don't waste this. Don't.
What happened? What all over me?
good enough to deserve a special kind of love. I lose myself trying to please everyone else. How can I feel the space of emptiness in my heart? I need someone to hold my hands and tell me it's alright. It'll be okay. Oh, I need someone to hold my hands and tell me it's alright. And tell me it's okay. Oh, I need someone to hold my hands and tell me it's alright. And tell me it's okay. Ooh, when you finally find somebody who sees beyond your base, who sees beyond it all. Ooh, then you realize it's so worth it. The time you wait for love, love you deep.
Why? Because of C stupidness. Why did I even listen to him? Huh? I'm lonely now. Pick up, just pick up, please.
You. I love it.
You better know what he is.
What's your name? Huh? Cedric.
Now you better know why you see why you moody are laughing. Huh?
You want to tell me so you don't know?
I am laughing. A dear sim
For some days now, maintain Naya. I don't know if Naya thing goes to what. I call her, I know they get her. I'm texting her, no response. So where Naya pass? I say me movement now, I'm going to say I will do something. Then you just Charlie don't.
Hey, into what power your banner, Bema? I told them you don't want me to say.
sometimes, you know, my menu like my menu who pass it, me nigga no. Into getting into our better now, why you moody no? Huh?
Or blocking me. I'm sure to blocking me because I should hear from her by now.
Girl, no about on chain, said in previous and your Virgin Mary. Or you slave girl. The motive behind and the reason why you again or buying on a human and no and I saw the Bible do. And God being so good, we shall see Confion. Me my format and a human on the BDN, a humanity on no moon rather. It is what your humanity we are. Dear, I been dreaming, man, uncle.
Until one goes out.
What you man uncle, sir, like how? Or your man and your papa, and your own baby. And I will tell you, man, I heard the two so hearing. Massa, man uncle. Man uncle no come for uncle forever. And translate me no more beam. And my so me be. And my your dorsum, me and Casamina to was your crow who cool bow. Me who cool correct to one side.
We serious girl by now.
Forget no. Huh? Maybe. Now so see the last time no or login account you phone so.
Charlie, now that's the first thing I did. Be page in here said my account still dey active. You know they again. Me whom say or software be say. Manenko. Ah. I mean himself like you can see fear. Or you know now they say issue. Manenko. One man go steam me out to say manenko.
In 2 or anything.
I for find out.
Go find out man. You for find out or go find out.
Me then you know go find out because of
you then who?
You know one never got question and you won't know okay. We will go find out.
Oh, I now broke a crow on his own. Huh? I now broke a crow on his me boy. Me make can't be a baby boy. Who don't know how to I am Pierre. Get your bounty. She's not here. She didn't come to help. Huh? She did not come to help. She came with a master calaver. And the master calaver didn't know. Forget time and let's move bad man. Cedric.
Only you can make me feel this way, even when the sun is behind the clouds. Only you can make me feel this way. You make my whole world go round. Only you can make me feel this way, even when the sun is behind
kitchen war as it is. There is you against me.
What are you doing here?
Why have you started cutting food stuff with your hair still out? Hold on.
Thank you.
Stand on one place. Why are you dancing? Yeah. Let me not mess it up. There.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna eat in peace, yeah?
Come on, this is how you do that thing. Cheese.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
What should I help you with? It looks like you've done everything.
Just go ahead.
Go ahead. What's this?
I don't need your help here.
Ginger, garlic, is that onions in there? Wait, so what are you doing? Let me help you.
No, I don't need your help. Just stop it.
You need my help, don't worry.
I don't.
So there's nothing for me to do.
Ha!
I'm helping you. You do it.
I don't need your help.
There's nothing wrong with help you.
Yeah, then you can't eat food.
What? I finished.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Can I go now?
Wash your hands here as you can do. What did you just do?
I want barbecue. You do that for me.
Yeah, I'll do some for you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Go on. You don't want me to do anything, I'll just sit here.
Yeah, just be there. Get down. What is wrong with you? Just let me do that thing. You're not holding a
Pretend
knife.
I'm not here. You see.
You are here. I know you are here
You
with
see, you've messed it up. You see, you've messed it up.
You're not hungry, are you?
I am bad. I'm only spicing your cooking up.
You're not. You're just worrying me here.
There. Oh. What do?
Yeah, what are you wearing?
Your self is sitting. Not bad. Not bad.
Oh, Lord.
Go. Go take it.
Susie? Child, this time you are not go too much.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Cedric. You are?
Susie,
Where are you going?
I'm going down the road.
Do you live around?
No, I can see someone.
Okay. I mean, you should be in a car. The sun is too hot, don't you think?
Yeah.
So, can I charter a car for you or something?
No.
Or you're almost the way you're going?
I'm almost there though. I'm just going to where the white gate is.
Hello, baby girl.
Hi.
Nice meeting you.
Same here.
Your friend saying,
Susie.
Mommy, home for what? Off a pa. Susie Williams and I Susie the
No, Susie,
just Susie. You know one thing.
What?
Ye came no. I'm a damn fool no crash also. But hey, I keep quiet. Or crash also. But on say a fine, beauty, sexy black lady like you know. Ain't Mary I'm on J. But 10 because we be any of floor. Why? Your friend is Cedric.
Wow, that's strange.
That's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah.
Okay.
She 10 because we be any of floor.
Oh, that's a song.
No, that is his phone. On the floor. Why?
Okay.
So who now say vibe not changing one side. That's it. I'm in passing now.
I'm actually calling myself, so.
Oh, okay,
I'll get to
okay.
here.
All right, baby girl. I know I shall see you out here. Your name again?
Susie.
And you not ask my name?
No, what's your name?
My name is Confion or Kinky Reggae me love it key uncle. Respect 2024 MB or Susie Jim's hit. That's it. We go catch you right there. That's right. All right, baby girl. Take good care of yourself, okay?
Okay, sure.
All right, got you.
Bye. Bye.
I take care. The machine solid. Charlie, but who running a mommy? I'm not running a mommy.
Young quay. You know the Jimmy dear. It's got to be no dinko. Common number.
Debbie me can say, oh, the sun hot.
Debbie no free any move bano. Can't go off anyway. Oh, command you free. As nothing and cow champty. On who free no one say we are.
Charlie, what's the number? What guy?
Hi, Susie. I'm good, how are you? I didn't expect you to call. Okay. Oh, in my hood. Of course, if it wasn't for your family, I don't think you'd come anywhere near here. Airtime? Again? This guy hasn't changed. I don't have Momo now, but let me see what I can do. Okay? Are you still playing this game?